I'll be honest, I have no idea what's inside of here. I've ordered so many planners for the year or recently or so much stuff. I'm not even sure. It might not even be a planner. It is a planner. Okay, the 2022 Astrological Planner, the Magic of I. I've actually never ordered this. Last year, I ordered a moon planner, which is pretty much, I think, the same thing. And this one came up, I'm not even sure how I found it. I was clearly procrastinating from doing any writing and I must have been shopping. All right, it has a nice little ribbon around it, which I always think is a fabulous idea because it makes everything look prettier. Let's see, a full cosmic guide to the entire year. Aspectarian, moon phases, optimum times, life guide. Optimum times is, it looks like, is that trademarked? Yeah, it's trademarked. It's like, I didn't even, I guess that's a really popular phrase. Okay, I'll stop. Menstrual moon tracker, monthly moons and intentions, astro reference guide, and weekly planner. Using the cycles of the moon and the planets to track and plan life. I mean, you know, why not? So let's see. It looked like there was a sticker that came with it. The eye. I don't know why everyone loves this. I do find it creepy. The snake eating itself. I forgot what that means. I think it means something. And that must be a control number. I'm not really sure. But we have some nice gold foiling on the cover. We have some gilding, gold gilding on the edges. Very nice. And we have an elastic strap. And it looks like we have some bookmarks inside. So let's go ahead and do a flip through. We have the Magic of I. We have, these pages are really brownish, kind of yellowish, like they look old and ancient. I think, obviously, I'm guessing that's on purpose. Created, written, and designed and illustrated by Carrie Kershaw, who must be the Magic of I, also trademarked. Wow, Carrie Kershaw is a girl that likes to trademark things. I wonder, yeah, everything in here. So everything in here might be trademarked. Incarnation, how to use this planner. I do always appreciate when anyone includes instructions. Calendar features. So this is cute. So she has a little mini picture of what you're going to see with little explanations. Personal astrology birth chart. I always find these funny. Again, I think everyone knows now. I don't know when I was born because I'm adopted. I was abandoned. People just guess the date on my birth certificate is not correct or real. So I kind of ignore these things. So I'm fascinated by astrology. I do find it interesting, but I don't really get excited personally by it because I don't know when I was born. So I'm pretty sure that this is obviously a very small percentage of the population that has this problem. So they probably are like, whatever, this book is not for you. So oftentimes, there you go, trademark. The magic of this planner. The magic of this planner is trademark. Okay, let's see. General dates, U.S. and Canada. I wonder if Carrie Kershaw is from Canada. I've never seen anyone include Canadian holidays together in a planner. Tyrio 2022 and 2023 at a glance, the Astrological reference guide. Let's pretend my birthday is real. Gemini, number 3. I think that I have qualities of communication, curious, speedy, intellectual. Air is my element. Body part is lungs, arms, and fingers. And my mode is mutable. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not even sure what it means. Okay. Astrological reference guide, elements, modes, moon planting guide. I don't know what that means. What is that? Planting the moon? Considerations when gardening by the moon. Oh, if you're gardening, I still don't know what that means. I'm not even going to pretend. Astro code, Deacon Tarot wheel, the planetary days and hours. I'm just going to read the tops. I have no idea what this means, and the explanations just kind of confuse me more. The classical planets are the 7 non-fixed luminary bodies in the sky that can be seen with the naked eye. They are the Sun, Moon, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn. Aw. No Pluto. Okay, alchemy and some medical astrology systems only use the 7 classical planets and a whole house system where the house and sign in a chart remain together. Over time, our wisdom has evolved and continues to evolve, bringing hidden knowledge to light intimately linking our bodies to the cosmos on the facing page is a peek into this realm. I'm not sure if I would very much consider our new knowledge like something that can be applied to astrology, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, the moon and its phases, menstrual cycles and the moon, the 4 phases of the menstrual cycle. I guess it's the moon's menstruation, not women's menstruation. That's interesting. The moon phases signs. Again, these do look like hieroglyphics to me. I'll be honest. I'm not even sure what I read from before to interpret these. Aspects, 22. Let's just flip through these. This is all like, I don't understand any of it. But that doesn't mean it's not intelligent. It might just mean that I am not smart enough to understand any of it. All right, we have some pages, physical, what would I like, actionable steps, which honestly, this feels out of place to me. Now, all of a sudden, I'm worried about actual real life things. I thought we were talking about the menstruation of the moon. Like, let's just stay on track. So January 22, important astrological. Okay, so now we're back into like this moon stuff. And again, this is all hieroglyphics to me. And so, I did an unboxing of another calendar and for the moon, and it did have all these crazy nonsensical symbols. And again, maybe it's just nonsensical to me. Week 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we have a horizontal layout, which we all know. I just find horizontal layouts silly. Like, what's the point? Especially when I think about horizontal layouts, I simply think about the cheap planners that you can get at Target or at the grocery store. They always have horizontal layouts. So that's why. And I know every time I say that, someone's like, I use the horizontal layouts for this. So I do understand that some people find it useful. Okay, so I'm sure it does a rinse and repeat every month. And so I'm sure you probably just want to look at the picture for the different months. So we'll look at, here's the March picture. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That's kind of nice. So even though it has gold gilded edges, when you put it like this, I can see the different colors for when each month starts because it has a full bleed all the way to the edge for those pages. So there's April. There's May. Here's June. Here's July. And here's August. So basically, I was going to say this is color, but it's basically just brown and teal. I wonder if you pay, I'm sure she pays less for printing that if you just use 2 colors. October, we're almost there. November, let's see if they do anything special. December for year end. So here we go. Now we have new moon intentions, full moon illuminations, end of year review, new moon intentions for 2023, and more stuff that I just don't understand. Planetary ephemeris. I know people who are probably really into this are like, you're being so dumb. That's not what it is. But if you are really into this, maybe you would find this very useful. Love is the answer. 2022 illustrations guide. This is just telling you what those different, is it telling you anything what these plants are? So for April, that was a nettle, a milk thistle, and a hawthorn. You hold all the answers. I actually hold no answers because I don't know any of the things that were in this book. And there's a little pocket folder here at the back. All right, so I think this was super cute. It looked beautiful with the gold etching. Oops, there's where I like dragged it with the scissors to open it. However, all of the stuff inside of here, I think you better be like hardcore into the moon and her system, which she has trademarked, in order to really, I think, enjoy this. Because honestly, if I don't want to have to study something that hard to like all of this to really learn or get any use out of it. So, I guess you could easily see like when the full moons are, or kind of, I can't even tell. So would I ever buy this again? No. I wanted something fun and cute, and this was like all into her trademark system. So this is a no for me to repurchase. Plus the pages don't really, I lie. They lay pretty flat. It's not that bad. So Yeah, but again, the horizontal layout. So let me know what you thought. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later.